nothing better than driving off into the sunset with the one you love. Wait, no one's going anywhere. Are those some weird life hacks? I guess we should check those out. Every year, same old, same old. You never quite get used to the cold when it hits. Jeez, it feels like Antarctica out there. But Ewald has to go to the office. No one canceled work. If only he could just go into hibernation. But no, he just has to deal with it. Luckily, we have life hacks. Cold weather? You really tried it! You messed with the wrong guy! Ewald decides to boil some vegetables. Did he decide to make a salad instead of going into work? Oops! It was wet! Put the vegetables on the stove. Yep, the water is already boiling. A little more time and the vegetables are ready. Oh, it's hot! What? Is Ewald shoving potatoes into his jacket? That's right! The vegetables will act as a heater. More potatoes in the sleeves. Some carrots in the front. It's simple, but brilliant. That's much better. This vegetable warmer rocks. Never mind that Ewald's appearance raises questions. Maybe it's the muscles. Mornings would be so much better if you didn't have to wake up to an alarm clock. And Cindy slept through hers today. What time is it? Oh my god, I'm late again. I need to do my makeup pronto! But there's a little life hack. What if I did my makeup on a pillow? It got me into this mess by making me oversleep, so it can get me out of it. The makeup is ready. Now to apply it properly. Oof, kind of a rocky start, but you can already see it's not the worst idea. You just have to flip the pillow over. Second time's the charm. Oops, there's something wrong again. Well, I have to go to school, and this looks like clown makeup. But Cindy doesn't back down. And on the third try, the makeup turns out just fine. It's perfect. What fleeky makeup. Oh shoot, I have to run. Kim is on her lunch break. Oh no, who is that? As always, at the worst possible moment. But maybe it's a matter of life and death. I shouldn't ignore it. The call is really important. We really have to leave. But what about the food? Pizza? Soup? Candy? I can't leave them here alone. It's time to test out a new life hack. Cindy has a similar problem. Life won't wait, and the food is getting cold. Oh yes, this situation needs a life hack. Best friends think alike. Why leave your snacks when you could take them with you? All you have to do is pack them well. What? A belt holster for food? A baguette in a tube? Kim and Cindy pack quickly and confidently. No crumb left behind. Ladies know how to do all kinds of things. Spice jewelry and cowboy hats. That's it! We're good to go! Wow! What a meeting! The girls gaze into each other's eyes to see who will make the first move. Things are heating up. Their hands are reaching for their holsters. Oh, what's going to happen? Relax! We don't want to hurt anybody. We're just drying our nails. Yup! Don't want to smudge that fresh manicure. But what's that? It's a wild soup? And a fresh, crispy baguette. Bon appetit, girls! Except Kim was in such a hurry that she forgot to salt the soup. That's okay. Cindy has some spices with her. That's much better. Thank you. Well, now we can go about our business. Let's get out of here. Putting your makeup on when you are in no rush and no one is bothering you is the best. But sometimes there are very unpleasant surprises in the mirror. Oh no! A couple of nasty pimples are staring right back at her. Oh, the horror! Who invited you? Go away! But you can't get rid of these unwelcome guests that easily. And since we can't do it the easy way, we'll do it the creative way. There's a life hack. Kim gathers some brushes and pencils. It's a good thing she signed up for those makeup classes after all. In a matter of minutes, a beautiful drawing takes over the affected area. Look at this extravagant makeup look. And now there's a cute little man looking off her cheek. And what he's looking with is another story. But don't tell anyone. Remember when it used to snow in winter? Yes. And some people are still lucky today. Look how much fun they are having on TV. Sleds, skis, snowballs. Sigh. Maybe there's at least a little snow outside. Alas, the forecast is disappointing. Overcast, damp, and muddy. But Ewald's got a life hack.
Hey!
What? Are you serious? Alright, let's try it! Did Kim really agree to this insanity? Yeah, what weird friends he's got! Come on, let's go for a ride! Ewald, are you sure? There is nothing but puddles and mud everywhere! We can't have a snowball fight! We'd be throwing mud! It's almost the same, just brownish! This is fun! You're a genius! Turns out you can sled through the mud, too! You just need to find wetter soil, then it will slide easier. The friends are so excited that they don't even care about their dirty clothes. I wish we could make a mud man. It'd be the perfect substitute for a snowman this winter. But it's time to go home. Hey, Cindy, did you open up a giant teddy bear? Why is there so much fluff in here? This is artificial snow. Oh, what's the matter with you? Are you out of your mind? Hurry up and go to wash up or you'll get everything all dirty. I can't believe you were throwing mud at each other. Remind me again why I'm friends with you. Kim has a lot of plans today. But it looks like she'll have to postpone them. She's not going anywhere in a car that dirty. But Kim has one more weird life hack. The famous Murphy's Law. As soon as you wash the car, it starts to rain. You don't want to go to the car wash, so you have to make it rain right away. Wow, that's a nice look for summoning. Kim is doing a rain dance. The choreography is over the top. Higher powers, grant me heavenly water. Whoa, seriously? Did that really work? I can hear raindrops. Oh, life-giving moisture. Cleanse my car and make it shine. Is this some kind of magic? No, it's just trickery. Hey, cameraman, what are you doing? Move the camera, quick! Uh-oh, it's a misunderstanding. No one's supposed to see Ewald. This is a provocation. It's really raining. We have been set up. Just one ridiculous accident can throw you off your stride. And Kim, unfortunately, broke both of her legs. Now the poor thing is bored at home, stuck in cast. Surfing the web is all she can do, but it's not so bad. Really? Oh, that's so pretty! I want it! Kim found the boots of her dreams! Too bad they cost a fortune!
Aww.
$1,500 for boots? Kim can't afford that! But here's a life hack. You'll need black paint and a brush. And, of course, casts on your legs. Painting the cast is not very comfortable, but Kim has time to spare. All that's left is to glue the heels and that's it. Gorgeous and almost identical. Wow, I feel so elegant and she saved so much money. Maybe she should buy something as a reward. Do you like cleaning? Cindy doesn't. She'll only pick up a vacuum cleaner when filth starts raining from the sky. Don't move, you nasty dust! Hands up, sneaky rapper! If you turn cleaning into a Counter-Strike game, time flies by. And now Cindy can take a break. The job is done. But Cindy can never catch a break. Is that cellulite? And some there, too? What about here?
Aww.
What if I tried vacuuming it out? Goodbye, extra pounds! I won't miss you! Okay, I need to remove this hint of a double chin. Oh no! The hose seems to be going wild! Yeah, it's definitely trying to kill Cindy, but she escapes just in time. The scuffle left a mark on her neck that makes Ewald very jealous. Cindy, is that what I think it is? How could you? What? No, it was the vacuum cleaner. Nice try. No, seriously, I promise. See for yourself. With a simple flick of the hose, the vacuum cleaner leaves the same mark on Ewald's neck. Okay, wow, I guess you really weren't lying. But please, never do. Don't break Ewald's heart. Proper nutrition is the key to a good mood. Kim just loves salads and seems to always be in a happy mood. Wow! So many vitamins! I can't wait to dig in! The ingredients are chopped and ready. All she has to do is salt it. But the salt shaker is empty? What do I do? Aha! I know a weird life hack! The secret to a salty salad is a sad movie. Hachiko is a great option. A sauce of salty tears for her vegetable salad. It's tasting a little better, but still not enough. Need more tears? An onion is a great solution to an unsalted problem. Perfect! Want the recipe? Did you like these crazy life hacks? Do you think any of them could be used in real life? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell so you don't miss even more wacky life hacks from Troom Select.